this looks a bad idea, but a good time. Like, it ain't gonna be a cakewalk going 3-3. And this seems flat, and that seems tall. Oh, this is soft. This side seems softer. Bro, this is gonna be mink. It's gonna be cutlets. You don't.
Yeah, pizza.
Not much. You think paddle tire? Is that what you're saying over here?
I'd run a paddle tire.
How is it, dude? How's outdoor prep?
I've not touched an outdoor track.
You better get ready.
Yeah.
2 machines fired up.
Just worry about yourself, man.
Give me some settings dialed in.
Send me some of your settings.
Once you send me yours, I'll send you mine.
You have a head start.
See, what I'm saying is I think there's already a lip here. So if you can get on, off, or even worst case, if you just went too low, I think that's just the play.
Yeah, so he just came over the finish, and there was like a pretty big hole in the base of the landing, and he landed right in it, and he just couldn't quite get control of the bike, and ended up going over the berm right into a pile of mud that they had scraped off the start straight this morning. So it was probably 3.5 to 4 feet deep mud just stuck the bike, and they ended up pulling it out with a crane forklift type deal, and it's all good. We're washing it up now, and we'll go get it again. They're riding really good. We went to Claremont last week with Hayden, worked on some stuff that just kind of needed to be addressed, and he's applying all that stuff today, and he's riding awesome. So we're happy with him. Dax is riding really good. Romano's riding really good. So I don't think it's a change of pace. I think it's a lot of just slowing him down a little bit. He tends to get a little aggro and rev the bike and just do all these things wrong when he's in like full race mode. So we've just kind of slowed some things down and worked on some technique, and it's really showing. So we're happy.
You gotta move the edge and you get more pop. I 3'd in once.
Well, I feel like a heat race line is probably going to be 3-2.
In the heat for sure.
Yeah. Which you're going to be.
Is it easy? It's as hard as you can hit it.
Yeah.
Hey, haymaker in the mud. Bro, haymaker in the whoops first time? Oh my god. I feel like it's a little different than other rounds. The other rounds have been really, really soft. So this one has a little bit of a harder base, even though with the rain. But I would say we worked on. Webb actually went behind me a little bit just to push me and get me more comfortable in the front, because I feel like that's where I was struggling. And Indy, I pulled the whole shot and kind of rode like an idiot. So he helped me with that a little bit, and hopefully we can put ourselves out front and see how it works.
I think when it comes to the points battle, we're right where we need to be. I think this is where the mentally strong will survive, and hopefully we're on top of that. Well, I think a win is always a good momentum swinger and for anybody, but especially for him. I think that was a big monkey off his back, and hopefully he can keep that monkey off his back and keep moving forward now.
It's about time we got the win. St. Louis was awesome there with that Triple Crown, and just trying to continue that momentum. Qualified second. Track's really nice. Of course, we got rain on Friday. That seems to be the theme this year, but overall, it came out really good today. So yeah, we're getting around it, and overall, it's a good one. The good thing is you can skim them, and I feel like they you can go either way with the combination, whether you skim or jump. So yeah, the whoops are good right now.
Qualifying in Foxborough was great for me. I got a pole position, which is awesome. You know, it's always nice to be up top, and had a great practice, feeling good on the track, bike's handling good, and feel just really good. Happy with how the break went, and I'm ready to make some momentum gains tonight. Points are getting tight, -8, so we need a big night tonight, but it's just good. You know, we've been fighting all season long and had some fortune come our way these last few races, and yeah, just feel like we're in a good spot to hopefully make the most of it. So it's still some racing left, just got to go execute one lap at a time. You know, I've always kind of flew under the radar, but you know, first year with the team has been amazing. We've won some races, got a lot of podiums, and we're right in this championship. So I think a lot of people, you know, didn't expect me, especially after SMX, to get where we were, but you know, I did. This team did, and I know every time I'm on the motorcycle, I can be a championship contender. So it's always the goal, especially in Supercross, and we're going to look to finish the season strong.
Welcome to Channel 2 News. We're putting leader lights on tonight, and yeah, hopefully they're on all night.
Coop is fired up, and that's a good thing. And I'm just trying to stay afloat. So we're treading water, and he's riding good. We're in Foxborough, where it rains once every hour. And this is where Tom Brady won a lot of championships, but evidently they decided not to put a roof on it, saving costs because they had to pay him. So we're in heat number 2, and hopefully he brings that fire to the night show, especially the main event where they pay points. So let's go get this bread.
Good. Qualifying's over with, getting ready for the night show. Free practice was good. Actually wasn't that muddy, so that's a win for everybody. Qualifying 1, ended up in 4th at the end of it. Came out in qualifier 2 and ended up 2nd behind Cooper Webb. So riding good. Coming to the night show confident. Just got to try and repeat what we did last weekend. Have a good heat race and then bring it into the main.
Cooper was P4. The track was kind of gnarly. It was soft, but it was also kind of hard. So kind of fighting both worlds with the bike setup. But we got the bike pretty good for the 3rd one, and obviously we did pretty well, and with the team doing well too. So I think the bike's pretty good for the night show, and hopefully we get some good starts and we can show them what we got.
We started out a little hairy, but no, it was good. Got off to a good start, and then it was just nice to get some clean laps and just honestly get through my race on 2 wheels. Just been struggling a little bit the last couple races, so was a big step in the right directions. And then we'll be going into Salt Lake, which is the last round, and that's the big one for us. It really, up until this point, like, you can do whatever, and then the last one's the big one. That's where you get the national #1 plate. So that's the main goal. It's been awesome to get one under our belt, but you know, this is a massive step in the right direction, like I said. So I'm excited and ready for the next one.
That was nice, man. It's cool to see the kid just ride like he does during the week. He executed it all perfect. We had a plan for the start, and I knew once that went according to plan, it was up to him, and he's been on it all day. So, man, to say I knew he was going to win was maybe reaching, but I knew he had it in him, and he performed exactly like he should. It was so good.
That's how we do it. That's how we got to do it, man. We've been struggling, and I'm not happy with it, but I feel like we're back. You know, good start, solid race. Did exactly what I needed to do, and yeah, I mean, the whole race had a comfortable lead. It was perfect. It was awesome.
Coop. Good race. Good job.
Crazy in a good way. No, nothing too crazy. Got a hole shot, which was awesome. Led every lap, which I hadn't been able to do all year, and I was riding in a good spot, and then I missed a rhythm, and then they were all over me. So that's when it got tight. But I put my head down, focused, and was able to get her done. Close, but man, it just feels great to win again, to tie the points, get the red plate. Couldn't ask for much more, man. Beautiful night.
Feel good. Wins are always the best. It's awesome when you're out there and leading the race, and then, or your rider is, and everybody's coming after you. It's nothing like that feeling, especially crossing the finish line first. Unreal.
Yeah, honestly, it was an amazing night. Coop rode a heck of a race from the start to finish. He managed that race well, and to go into Nashville with the red plate's pretty awesome. I think we're in a good spot. You know, unfortunately, Eli had a little tip over, but rode really, really well, and did good job keeping some pressure on some other riders. And we'll go back, go to work, and come back to Nashville.